Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the zip function in Python. The zip function returns a zip object, which is an iterator of tuples, where the first item in each past iterator is paired together. Okay, and then the second item in each past iterator are paired together, etc. We will see that in action in a moment. Okay, if the past iterables have different lengths, the iterable with the least items decides the length of the new iterator. Okay, so let's see that in action. First of all, let's do something like names, or let's do people 1, a list. Let's do John, Jane, Sarah. Okay, people 2 will be Jenny, Christy, and let's do something like Monica. Okay, now what we can do something like this. So let's do combined people, or paired people might be a good word. Paired people equals to, we have to have the zip function, and inside of that we have to pass the people 1 and then people 2. Okay, now if I just print the paired people, let's see what happens. Okay, run the program. We are getting a zip object, which is not that much great. So now we can convert it to a list. So list, and here, as you can see right now, we are getting John and Jenny. So John and Jenny are paired together inside of a tuple. Then Jane and Christy is paired together inside of the tuple. Sarah and Monica paired together inside of the tuple. So this is how the zip function works. Okay, also if we want, we can use a dictionary as well. Okay, if I just do that, run the program, now we are getting a dictionary where the key is John and the value is Jenny, because we are passing the people 1 first. So if I just reverse the order, okay, run the program, now the key and the value are changed. So now the key is Jenny, the value is John. Okay, so the order matters. All right. Okay, so now we will just do list here. Okay, so this is how the zip function works. Now for example, here currently right now the people 1, the list has 3 items, people 2 has 3 items as well. So now let's do something like, let's do Vicky here. Okay, so now as you can see, we are having a mismatch of the length of the 2 iterators. Okay, so now if I just run the program, as you can see, we are still getting 3 items here. Okay, 3 pairs. So John and Jenny, Jane and Christy, Sarah and Monica. And we are not getting anything about Vicky because we do not have the capacity. Okay, so this is how the zip function works. Okay, so the zip function basically returns a zip object, which is an iterator of tuples where the first item in each past iterator is paired together. Okay, as you can see, John and Jenny paired together, Jane and Christy paired together, Sarah and Monica paired together. So this is the zip function in Python.